Hi, it's Ramesha here with Vocal Bliss. One of the complaints that I receive sometimes from my students is the fact that they feel like they don't have time to practice. They don't have time to do vocal exercises between lessons. But it actually doesn't take that long. And what I would like to do today with you is just guide you through a couple of quick vocal exercises that take very little time and that you can do multiple times a day if you want, and you will get a lot of benefits just by doing them regularly. But they won't take much of your time, but they will add up in terms of how good they are for your vocal development. But before we do that, as always, let me suggest you to go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss my future videos. Okay, so doing vocal exercises is very, very important. I mentioned it many times. It's important because remember, these are muscles, and if you want to use certain muscles on a regular basis and you want them to perform well, you also have to maintain them well. And so vocal exercises is basically maintenance to your instrument, which is your voice. And so if you want your voice to be in good shape but also last for a long time, I highly, highly recommend you learn some basic vocal exercises and do them regularly and do them well. So here we go. I'm going to guide you through two very simple exercises. We can do them together. I will guide you. If at some point you feel like it's getting too high for you, for your range, or for your current vocal development, please stop. Don't push. Don't hurt yourself. The most important thing in doing vocal exercises is relaxation. You've heard me say this over and over, but I can't emphasize it enough. It's so important. Okay? Our first exercise is going to be just 5 notes, like this. So we're going to E. Let's do it together. E. And let's move up. Let's do A. A. O. U. E. E. I will let you continue on your own. A. O. U. E. E. A. O. And U. Okay, I wanted you to be able to do it on your own for a little bit so that you can actually hear your voice really well. And it doesn't matter if you feel like you don't sound good, don't worry. Relax, 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 and keep at it, and you'll see that your voice will improve. Okay, second, you see how short it is? Second exercise will be this. So, okay, let's do this together. E. A. O. U. to continue on your own. Let's do one more just with ah. Okay, there you go. You have 2 exercises that took, I don't know, 2 or 3 minutes to do. You can do these anytime during the day, whenever you have 5 minutes. Just come back to this video. You can bookmark it on your phone or on your computer. Come back to this and do just a little bit of this. And you'll see the difference it will make in your voice if you do this regularly. Just move those vocal cords. Don't strain, don't push. I didn't go very high with these ones, but this is it. You don't need to do the whole range and go very high, even if you have a lot more range. Just stick with this, do it regularly, and then once in a while, when you have more time, you can then do more. But see, you can afford to do more and push your boundaries, your limits a little bit, much more effectively when you will have spent some time between things during the day doing these short exercises, because you will have kept your instrument in good shape. And so when you want to do more, when you have time to do more, your muscles will be ready to support that. Okay? As opposed to doing more once a week or once a month and then nothing. So do these more regularly, and then once in a while, when you have more time, stretch your limits, go a little bit higher, maybe sing out a little bit more, maybe sing a song as well. Actually, do sing a song. That's the whole point. But keep these as your daily maintenance routine that can really help you. Okay, so this was a very short one, but I felt like it was important to give you this, to put this thought in your mind that warming up your voice, keeping your voice in good shape does not take too long, and it's something you can do anytime during the day, between things, while you drive your car, while you wait for your next appointment, whatever. So good luck and have fun with it. So if you like this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.